Place your AV155. The speaker can be placed anywhere in front of your television on any level surface near the TV, above, below, or to the left or right. The ZVOX performs best when it is facing the people who are watching TV. The 155 also has two threaded sockets on the back panel that allow attachment to owner-supplied hardware. Connect the power cord to the ZVOX. Then, connect the AC plug to an outlet. Connect the optical signal cable if possible, or use one of the alternative cables that are provided. The connection must be to an outlet that says Audio Out. If your TV has no audio out ports, but you watch with cable or DirecTV, you can connect to an audio out port on that receiver. If that is not an option, you will need to use an HDMI signal splitter with an audio extractor. There is another video that shows this process. Once the connection to the speaker has been made, tune the television to a program. Turn down the sound on your television. Turn on the AV155 using the power button on the ZVOX remote control. You may need to change the input. Make certain it is set to the input you are using on the ZVOX. On some televisions, sound settings will need to be changed in order to activate the optical digital output.